Right, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe video update. And Pepe is now in a place where it's kind of slowly destroying some important chart patterns. All right, yesterday we had a pop to the downside, and I've been telling you that a pop is going to come soon. So we were focused right on this symmetrical triangle here. So move down, move up, move down like this, sideways consolidation. Now, if I have to keep things simple, you pretty much even met the technical target, honestly, for this triangle. But it does seem like you're interested to kind of come down and take this wick out once again. So right now, here it is, a break to the downside. The break never happened to the upside. And I told you so many times, wait for the break, and you got your answer, right? The time that we had to wait was 10 January, and it happened back in 3rd of January. So it pretty much happened quite soon. So at this point of time, we are looking for maybe a push back up to 13,000, stay here, and then drop down when you get rejected. So you do have a trading opportunity, at least to the other side, if you're not going to pump, and that is going to be from there to there. This is pretty much looking for a drop to 8,664, and that's going to be a drop from there to there. We're talking about a 33% dump coming up for Pepe. And that's it for the video, just a very small one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.